Welcome to the second session of the today's lecture, and we are discussing the mesh network. Mesh network is one of the network in which we can organize the processor in a parallel computer. And I have taken a two-dimensional lattice, that is a 2Q mesh network, and the number of node or the number of processor is the 16. So in my previous lecture, I told you how to arrange the processor in a QD lattice. Now I will show you how to arrange the processor A using a wraparound. If we are using a wraparound, then how we can arrange the processor. Thus, we have a 16 number of nodes. It means we will have a 16 number of processor. And if we are using a wraparound connection, then the network will be look like let's see how the connection will be done. Now, as it is a wraparound connection, so what we will have, the first processor will have the connection with the last processor, so that and in the same way this processor can also communicate with the vertically as well as horizontally. So this processor can communicate with the last processor also. So this is your wraparound connection. Previously, when there was a no wraparound, so each processor can communicate with the 2Q other processor, the internal processor. If we take this processor, then 2Q processor, it can communicate with the 2Q processor, that means 4 number of processor. अगर हम किसी एक internal processor को ले तो वो कितने processor के साथ communicate कर सकता था? 1, 2, 3 and 4. ये तब था जब हम wrap around नहीं लिए थे. When we are taking a wrap around, then even the node which is at the विच इज नॉट द इंटीरियर नोड नहीं है, वो बाहर के लेयर में है, देन इट कैन ऑल्सो कम्युनिकेट विथ हाउ मेनी प्रोसेसर? इट कैन कम्युनिकेट विथ 4 नंबर ऑफ प्रोसेसर, 1, 2, 3 and 4. अगर हम बिना रैप अराउंड के थे तो जो मेरा एक्सटीरियर जो इस लेयर में प्रोसेसर था वो सिर्फ 2 नंबर ऑफ प्रोसेसर के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर पा रहा था, जबकि जो मेरा इंटीरियर प्रोसेसर था वो 4 प्रोसेसर के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर पा रहा था. बट व्हेन वी हैव यूज्ड अ रैप अराउंड कनेक्शन, देन दिस network all the processor can communicate with the 4 number of processor. Now we will see one more connection, that is a wrap around connection between processor in adjacent rows or column. Let me clear, okay, and then we will do the connection once again. Later, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn a wrap around connection between processor adjacent rows and column. Okay, so how we will do the connection here? Here this processor will be connected in the form of like, let's start with the here we will do the connection this way, and then it will get connected in this way. Then and here if let's see here one, this is the connection, and then we will do the connection in this way. So just do it here. Okay, so this is your wrap around connection between the processor in adjacent rows and columns. So in this way the processor are organized in the mesh network. Now the second network that we have to study is your binary tree network. Let me clear the screen, then we will talk about a binary tree. What do you mean by a binary tree? A binary tree is a tree where we have a root node and a leaf node, and from each root node and from each node there will be a maximum of 2 leaf node.